everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So आज के वीडियो में मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आप लोगों को yet another Dainty jewelry haul. You guys know my obsession with Dainty jewelry and recently I attended an Amazon event और वहाँ पर उन्होंने बहुत ही beautiful jewelry display किया हुआ था. इतने प्यारे ज्वेलरी थे वहां पर एंड देयर वर फ्यू पीसेस दैट कॉट माय आईज एंड आई डिडंट इवन नो कि Amazon पे इतने प्यारे प्यारे ज्वेलरी है. आई जस्ट न्यू आई हैड टू गेट माय हैंड्स ऑन देम and I placed an order. That's what I'll be sharing in today's video. So without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Okay, let's start with this piece. First of all, look at the packaging. एक product के लिए इतना बड़ा डब्बा भेज दिया उन्होंने. Let's open it up. It's a gold toned cuff bracelet by this brand called Zaveri Pearls and wow. I love the pearl detailings on this and this is one of the items that I saw in the Amazon event and ये मैंने जैसे ही देखा I kept picking it up, I kept looking at it, I kept wearing it for some reason and I just knew I had to have it. Like look how beautiful it is and I love how elegant and dainty at the same time it looks because of these beautiful pearl detailings. Almost gives that coquette, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that pearly coquette kind of vibe, very girly, very elegant. That's the vibe it's giving me and it's beautiful. I love the gold detailing. Gold is my color. I don't have anything silver because gold just looks beautiful on me and I just knew I had to have my hands on this. Also, it opens up like this so आपका hand का size doesn't matter because you can adjust this as much as you want. Easily wear कर सकते हो and you just have to like and yeah, it's a statement piece obviously and this is just gonna make any outfit of yours a 10. Like this is definitely one piece that's gonna elevate your outfit. Definitely grab it. I am obsessed with this, so a 10 out of 10. Moving on, I got another piece of jewelry from Zaveri Pearls. Let's open it up. It's a set of 3 gold toned bold statement rings. I've been getting my nails done since the start of this year and bold statement rings just make them pop and look even more elegant and beautiful. Rings in general look really pretty and I love them, but I don't end up buying them a lot simply because my fingers are pretty skinny and free size ones generally come very big and they don't fit my fingers. So ये तीनों कुछ ऐसे दिखते हैं. ये दो attached है but ये ऐसे ही आया हुआ है, but all 3 of them are very pretty. So this is the first ring that came with it. It kind of looks like a hug ring, you know, it feels like it's hugging me. And this is again, the size is quite big. This is only gonna fit on my thumb. And I feel like, yeah, ये भी निकल रहा है. Do you understand my dilemma of buying rings? It just doesn't fit me. I think each and every nail is gonna be a little bit bigger, but I think for images and everything, I can work with it. Also, from this year, I've started doing my own nails and these are my first ever set of nails that I did all by myself. These are gel overlays, like I did builder gel overlay and obviously gel color on top. I did a little bit of nail art as well. Like I'm so freaking proud of myself. I gifted myself like the whole nail kit and I'm kind of doing it and learning it as a hobby. I've not done any nail course and stuff. I've just been using YouTube. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do my nails by myself and I'm so freaking proud of myself and these are pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed and I'm definitely gonna try even more intricate nail art stuff. Let me know if you guys want a detailed video on how I do my nails and what all I got to do it by myself at home. Chalo, let's move on to the next ring that I got. It looks something like this. I really like it. ऐसे ही similar मैं ढूंढ रही थी and kind of like a rose over here. That's what I was looking for, but it looks pretty similar and I think this will fit my, yeah, it's fitting my middle finger finally. Last one, it's like 2 rings. And it looks something like this. Okay, quality wise काफी इतना heavy भी नहीं है but इतना light भी नहीं है, which is good. But जो gold detailing है, it looks a little unfinished. The quality, I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 at all. I feel a lot of mistakes है, थोड़ा unfinished लग रहा है मुझे. But style and look wise, it's really pretty. I would give it a 6 out of 10. Next, I picked up a bunch of jewelry from this brand called Salve. Now, इनके already मैंने कुछ pieces try किए हुए हैं. I think last Dainty Jewelry Haul में मैंने इनके बहुत सारे products दिखाए हुए हैं already आप लोगों को. And their pieces are waterproof and anti-tarnish. If you don't know what those pieces are, that means you can actually wear them every single day. You can bathe in them and उसका जो tarnish है या फिर color है वो tarnish नहीं होगा, brown नहीं होगा या फिर निकलेगा नहीं. प्लस देयर विल बी नो स्क्रैचेस एंड एवरीथिंग. वाटरप्रूफ मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि वो वाटरप्रूफ होगा कि नहीं, बिकॉज वेबसाइट पे ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं था. एंटी टार्निश लिखा हुआ था, वाटरप्रूफ नहीं लिखा हुआ था. आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग देयर पीसेस जो मैंने लास्ट हॉल में दिखाया हुआ है एवरी सिंगल डे सिंस देन. लाइक दिस पीस आई वेयर इट एवरी सिंगल डे. आई डू नॉट रिमूव इट. आई बेथ इन इट. आई स्लीप इन इट. लाइक आई वेयर इट एवरी सिंगल डे. इवन दिस स्मॉल hoop, again something that I wear every single day. I don't remove it, and exactly same how I've bought it. There is no color change, nothing at all, as you can clearly see. And I've received so many compliments, especially on this one. I'm slowly trying to increase my collection of dainty pieces and statement pieces, so yeah, that's the vibe. Let's quickly open it up. इसमें दो pieces है. Let's open this one up first because I've been eyeing this for so freaking long. It's that gold tone flat snake choker and it looks so freaking pretty. You can definitely wear it like a statement piece or you can layer it up with multiple different chains. मेरे पास Pinterest पे इतने सारे pins है. ये same choker मुझे बहुत time से चाहिए था and I was not able to find it. But I'm so happy that I bought this in an anti-tarnish version because I know this is gonna last me for a really long time, and I just want this as a piece that I can layer it with multiple pieces. Like, look, even now it's looking so freaking good. The quality is so good. I don't see any issues or problem with it. It's so pretty and it's soft. I was not expecting it to be like everything is perfect with this. एंड या और क्या बोलूँ, ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्यारा पीस है. इट्स अ मस्ट हैव. आई एम टेलिंग यू, definitely have this piece in your collection and you're not gonna regret it. A 10 out of 10. Okay, the next piece I picked up is this beautiful pearl bracelet from Salve. Like, how freaking cute. Lately I've been obsessed with anything that has pearl or pearly vibes or anything that has mermaid vibes as well. Like, I'm instantly attracted to it and I have to have it. Next nails are going to be anything related to mermaid. I'm pretty damn sure about it. Let's open it up. I'm very excited about it. जैसे ही मैंने देखा, I just knew I had to have it. Like, it's so freaking pretty. And इसका open और closure कुछ ऐसा है, very different. Let's wear it. ये भी anti-tarnish है. Every jewelry that they sell is anti-tarnish. I feel this is gonna look so pretty, like as a stack of layered bracelets. And I love कि एक भी pearl, it's not like a round pearl. It's very uneven. It almost looks like a shell pearl vibes. I don't know how to describe it. It's very coquette and it's very me. It's very pretty. I love it. 10 out of 10. Next, I picked up another statement bracelet from Salve. Let me just wear and show you guys, then you'll understand like how freaking beautiful this is. Like, it almost looks like 3 different bangles, but it's like intertwined with each other. And yeah, that's how you're supposed to wear it. Let me just show you guys. Like, how freaking cute and such a statement piece, right? Imagine wearing a beautiful sleek black dress with full hands and you're wearing this on top of it. Like, I can just imagine with sleek bun. Wow, like the quality is so good. And also iska jo detailing hai, if you'll see, it's very different. I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, इसका जो detailing है, but the quality is so good. It's definitely 10 out of 10. It's not very heavy and it's a statement piece. It looks that you've paid a lot of money, like those high-end brands kind of stuff, and it looks so good. 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it. Next item जो मैंने लिया है, it's a set, so it comes with a necklace, earring and ring, and all of them have the same clover leaf pattern. I don't know, it's pretty famous. I'm pretty sure आप लोगों ने ये देखा होगा pattern. It's called clover leaf and it looks something like this. Again, something that has been on my Pinterest board or Pinterest pins for a really long time and I wanted to get my hands on them. And जैसे मुझे Salf पे ये दिखा, of course I had to have it. Now this is not the original Cloverleaf thing, it's the first copy. It's anti-tarnish, it's gonna last for a really long time, but I really like the pattern of this Cloverleaf. I think it looks really pretty. Again, something that you can wear individually. आपको सिर्फ necklace पहनना है, आप पहन सकते हो. If you want to pair it up together, however way you can wear it. I feel this looks really pretty stacked up with other chains and stuff. Also, इसका एक ऐसा ब्रेसलेट स्टफ भी आता है और वो भी है अवेलेबल. मैंने नहीं उठाया, मैंने ये उठाया है बिकॉज आई जस्ट डिडंट वांट एवरीथिंग सिमिलर. बट now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually very much gravitated to picking the bracelet as well. मुझे इतना पसंद आया कि मैंने सेम थिंग उठाया वाइट कलर में as well. It's the same exact thing. It's a set, same cloverleaf pattern, but this one has this white, almost like a pearly vibe to it. Yeah, it's not white. It's almost like a pearl-escent thing inside. And I love it in black and white. So, जैसे मैंने देखा मैंने दोनों उठा लिए. Again, it's a set. As I said, it has the necklace, the earring, as well as the ring along with it, and it looks something like this. So I'm very happy with the purchase. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below आपका favorite jewelry piece कौन सा था. Also, Amazon Ultimate Brand Sale is now live. You can get up to 50% off plus extra 5% off. So what you're waiting for? Get the shopping done now. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that little pole.